Question 5. Question 5a. What is the input for number machine 1? So we are looking number machine 1. Something times by 12. Take away 3 cubed will give us 81. What's 3 cubed?
27.
27. Something times by 12. So we call that in a sense like x and times by 12. So it becomes 12x. And then we minus the, was it 27?
Yeah.
And that gives us an answer of
81.
81. Wow, that's big.
Mota.
Okay. Alright, so we have 81 over here. Okay. Lovely. Now we've got to work out the value of x. Right. Can we have some technique now, please? Right. Okay, Iman. We've got to work out the x. We've got time by 12 is the first action. Minus 27 is the second action. Which action do we move first? The second action. We grab the minus 27. We take it to the other side. We've been doing this work in your lesson. So opposite of minus 27 is? Add 27. Okay. Let's have Uzma 81 add 27 will give us an answer of? 108. 180. I'm just copy that as 12x over here, make it a bit more closer, even though it's over there. Now, the next part, let's have Harun. I want to work out the x, not 12x. So what do we do with the 12? 12 is a times. Opposite times by 12 is? Divide by 12. Okay. So x will give us an answer of? 9. Lovely, beautiful. Question 5a is done. 5a is equal to 9. I'm not going to move the sheet up and down. Leave it there. I'm going to read out the questions to you. Question part B. Right, so let's clear this page. You got all that done? Everybody? Was there? You got it done?
Yes.
Right, question part B, 5b. What is the positive square root of the output from machine number 3? Machine number 3. So machine number 3 is talking about what number?
144.
144. So we have to get 144 and square root it. So what number multiply itself gives you 144 is? Well, actually, plus and minus 12 is the correct mathematical answer. But they're only interested in the positive answer. So we can get a little rubber. And we don't need this bottom part of the answer. So we can say quite safely, for part B, the answer is? 12. Yeah, just literally just 12. We can get rid of that as well. The plus. That's not necessary for this particular answer. 12. Part C. What is the product of the inputs from number machines 1 and 2? Right, put your hand up if you can tell me what the meaning of the word product is. Iman. Many times. The word product means times. Does it mean like a product in a shop? You know, like you're going to buy some pair of trousers or something, or some trainers as a product. Product in mathematics means times. So, let's have a look. Of the inputs of machine 1 and 2. What was the input for machine 1? We just said, what was it?
9.
So machine 1 was a 9. And what was it for machine 2? Did we work out for machine 2? No, let's work it out. So we have x times by 21. We can write that down as 21x, yeah? And then add 4 squared. What's 4 squared?
16.
Add 16. And that will give us an answer of 121. Now we need to solve this one as well. So we need to work out the value of x. We got times by 21 and add 16. Opposite of add 16, we move that first is? Minus 16. So we have 121. So we can minus 11 and then minus 5. That will give us a total of 105. Excellent. And then we got 21x. So opposite time by 21 is? 21. So x is equal to 105 divided by 21. And that will give us a nice lovely answer of 5. Okay, 105 divided by 21 will give us 5 for this one here. Okay, which is 5? Is this one 5, yeah?
Yeah.
We haven't done the question yet. That's part of the working out. The question says, what is the product? So we can get 9 and 5 and we have to multiply them. 9 times by 5 will give us 45 is then the correct answer for 5 part C. So 5C is 45. Are we happy with all that? Okay, let's clear the square. So 5C is 45. Let's just rub some of this stuff off so make it a bit more clean for our next part of the question. Leave the answer there for the moment. Okay. 5C, 5D. Alright. Okay, pen. 5 part D. What is the output from number machine 3? What is the output from the number machine 3 less than the output from the number machine 1? So what was the output from number machine 3?
5.
Output from machine number 3 was 144. Okay. And what was for machine number 1? 81. The wording says, what is the output from number machine 3 less than that one? So what do we do with these two numbers? What do you do with them? For question D, what do we do with those two numbers? We
Find out the difference.
at the difference. Well done. So you have 144 and we minus the 81. So 4 take away 1 is 3. 4 take away 8 we can't do. So we have 14 take away 8 and that will give us 63 is the answer. So 63 is the answer for 5D. So 5D has an answer of 63. Who got that one right? Okay. Okay. Right. 5 part E. What is the lowest common multiple of the inputs for number machines 1 and 2? Okay, what were the numbers for number 1 and 2?
5 and 9.
Okay, let's have a look. So we do 5A. So what, can you remind me again? So A was what?
9.
9. And B was?
5.
5. So we're looking for the LCM of 9 and 5. The lowest common multiple of 9 and 5 is the smallest number in both timetables, which will give us
45.
45. Excellent.
Yes.
45. That's E done.